So here we have the Volkswagen Polo SE on a 68 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But from the outside you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels. Let's start off inside the boot and then we'll work our way around the rest of the car from there. So as we approach the boot, you'll see we've got plenty of space in there, along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat, and then underneath this tray section a full-size spare wheel. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back round to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But now that we've done a full circle of it, you can see it's in fantastic condition the whole way round. Just briefly before I climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that right now. Okay, so now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter, and on the right-hand side, the speedometer and fuel gauge. In the middle, you can see the total miles for this car, which are 4,344. You can change the information that's displayed above that by pressing buttons on the indicator stalk. So we're on the driver data menu at the moment. You can have various bits of fuel economy information or a digital readout for the speedometer, but there are other menus available as well. So you've got assist systems, audio, your telephone menu, vehicle status, and then back round to where we started on driving data. The buttons I was using to do that are on the right hand side of the steering wheel here. We've also got voice activation for your phone on that side of the steering wheel. Hit that button, ask it to dial any one of your contacts list, and it can do that for you without you having to take your phone from your bag or pocket. That is of course once you've paired the phone up, which is done on the central screen, and we'll come to that in just a moment. On the left hand side of the steering wheel, we've got stereo controls. We've also then got cruise control on the indicator stalk back here. So the touchscreen in the centre is where you would, amongst other things, pair your phone. It's very easy, just follow the instructions on screen. When it comes to music in this car, firstly with regards to the radio, you can see we've got DAB, FM and AM radio all available to us. If you want to listen to your own music, hit the media button just there. And then you've got, as you can see, CD player, SD memory card input, 2 USB inputs, and you can stream music wirelessly via Bluetooth audio as well. So plenty of ways to listen to your music in this car. Below that, we've got the air conditioning. So you can select the temperature, fan speed, direction of the air. The air conditioning is on when that light shows, so it's off or back on again. You can recirculate the air that's in the car. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly, depending on the temperature you've set on this dial. And you can turn that off just as easy as you turned it on. Underneath that section, we've got the 2 USB inputs that I mentioned previously, a 5-speed manual gearbox, and to the right hand side of that, this button here. So this car's got stop and start, which means it's designed to cut out in traffic to save you fuel. Hit that button to turn that system off. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.